go to try to jot a line, but on a good day, I am only feeling fine.
We can party over here, party over there. We can party in the haven like we just don't care.
Make some noise if you hear me. Make some noise if you hear me. I thought I told you that I never had a limit. I'ma take the ball and run it, cause I really wanna win it. Making my way down the court like I'm racing to the finish. I'm just doing this for sport, I wouldn't expect you to get it. Rappers know the drill, that's why I'm making them skittish. It's like I'm speaking in tongues, but it's American English. And I am riding the waves until I sleep with the fishes. But I just did it for my city, now they say I'm too vicious. Now when I flow, I be kicking it similar. Gotta rip it with a rhythm that can feel familiar. When I'm banging on the drums or when I'm playing the keys, I know that I'm exactly where I wanted to be. It's like
we can party over here, party over there. We can party in the haven like we just don't care.
make some noise if you hear me. Make some noise if you hear me. The chainsaw, I'ma do some cutting. One word name looking like to make lovin'. If you got a problem, I want you to do something. Bass keeps bumping and the haven keeps jumping. People better get loud, crown underground. Majezty is here, so I'ma keep on going rounds. MCs don't exist and the game is full of clowns. I didn't realize the fucking circus was in town. I ain't even laughing, I don't know what happened. I'm just staying strapped for the people that be capping. Mr. Smith is captain, competition laughing. Visual experience like taking lots of acid.
We can party over here, party over